Thank you. Pinangako ko po sa inyong lahat that I will face the media after my testimony. That I will face the media after my testimony. So I'm willing to take a few questions just to give you an update. Again, andito ako to lend anything that I know to aid the ICI in their investigation. As I said, wala po akong tinatago, so I am happy to assist them in any way, shape, or form. With regards to how it went, kung ano man ang mga tinanong nila, I have given the ICI full authority, if they deem fit, release the video of my testimony. So again, I'm happy for them to do so if they believe that there is no information there that will jeopardize their investigation.
Sir, yung allegations ng dating Congressman Zaldi po, natalakay ba siya sa hearing niyo?
Yes po.
And can you anong...
Well, again, I will just repeat my statement that it's pure fabrication and pure lies. It's one that it's a move that makes desperation. It's a political ploy. And I've already attributed it to attempts at destabilization of the government.
Sir, is that at all possible? Yung 50 billion, yung scenario na sinasabi ni Kong Magpo na may 50 billion kang pati sa father mo na inutusan niya allegedly sila speaker?
Honestly, to my knowledge, no, it's not possible.
Why? Why that?
Because first of all, the executive has nothing to do with legislative. And secondly, the allegations are untrue. I did not do any such a thing. Kung nakikita niyo po yung listahan, may mga project dyan sa Davao City nakalagay, nakalista sa Davao City. Alam naman natin sino nakatira doon, ba't ba ako maglalagay ng projects doon? Sana naman mag-aral nila naman. But in any case, it's really not worth it. Like I said, it's just an attempt.
Should the ICI investigate their father? Kasi may mga statements is out.
I don't want to speak on behalf of the ICI. You're not fast.
Okay.
Okay.
So, can you address the PCID report on Alo Kapag?